Hi guys, nice to see you again and thanks for watching Cooking with an Italian. I'm Piero Di Lorenzo, 100% Italian, from South Italy, from Massafra. Hey! Today guys, we're going to cook something very easy, nice and pretty. We're going to cook chicken breast with spinach and ricotta cheese. Spinach and ricotta cheese, okay? Just we need chicken breast. I cook for me, my son and my partner, soon wife. Okay, chicken breast, spinach, some I like pecorino romano, but you can put Parmesan or any cheese you like, ricotta cheese, salt, pepper and some paprika. If you like spice, you can use spice. Okay, first thing, oven on 200 degrees and let's go. We need oil, quite generous, okay? And some garlic powder, I forgot about that, okay? Anyway guys, oil on, chicken breast already on board here. We're gonna just put a little bit down this, okay? And when they going down, we put some seasoning, salt and pepper and just a little bit garlic. Okay, we have to cut this just like this, okay? If you have a problem, do this. Put this to stick like this, or you can use something like this, anything can block you to cut it out. And you do, you know, stop, 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 stop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's enough, okay? I'm gonna do 2 like that and 1 plain for Enrico. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, it's done. Salt and pepper. Meraviglioso. Salt, don't worry, it's flavor, okay? Check here what's going on. They already okay. In here we need just, I know it's garlic powder, pepper, salt, if you like, you can put some butter. 2 seconds is ready. And inside this chicken we do some vegetable. Okay? Now we can put this ricotta cheese in. Mix everything, easy, and guys, in the end gonna be super nice. If some leftover of this you can eat, you can just put in the oven. Guys, make ready a tray to go there. I use some paper just to use again this one, you know. Job done, okay? Now you use 4 and you have to stuff inside. Easy, not too much. Okay, I'm gonna put the stuff inside to this second one. I see you when it's ready. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, the chicken breast is ready. Is ready. Well, you need patience. You put nicely. You know, it's very nice. When it's like that, just add some that pecorino I told you. How much you like, eh? Very nice. I like with some paprika on the top. Just a bit like this. Now in the oven for I think half an hour, 200 degrees. Okay? Later I'll tell you precise. Okay? In the oven. Done. In the same time, I will do that in the same pan. Oil. I'm gonna do some quickly vegetable. Broccoli and mushroom. Enrico like a lot of this stuff. Straight away inside this. And when this is half cooked, we add the mushroom very quick. Okay? I'll show you later when it's ready. Okay? Okay, guys. 40 minutes done. Gone. Okay? The chicken is ready. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, mamma mia. Bellissima. Now, we just in the time I cooked some vegetable. Look at that. Beautiful and pretty and delicious. This is a very good thing. And I'm sorry to so many jars. You see? It's perfect. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful. Nicely cooked. Wow! Again, well done, Piero. I'm proud of myself. Wow, very nice. Guys, the dish is this. Beautiful. Some mushroom and vegetable, just in soya sauce. Albacio. Very nice. With this, you can have a nice red wine. Very nice. And guys, anyway, if you like this video, finger up and follow us. Thank you very much. Ciao.
Hi guys, finger up and follow us.
Ciao.